Alright, you ready to find the ball here? Look where the ball at. You see the ball? Alright, now we're going to twist it around a little bit. You get 2 chances. Where's the ball? Wait. Oh, one more chance. Oh, nope, you didn't. One more try. You see the ball? Follow the ball now. Follow it now. I'm gonna take all your snacks. Come on, look. Look. Yeah. Yep. If you don't get it right, come on.
Okay.
You see the ball?
Yeah.
All right, where is it now? No. No. All your snacks are gone. It's okay.